How to change plan in Netflix. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change plan in Netflix. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for netflix.com. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then tap on the sign in option and sign yourself in. Now, in order to change your plan in Netflix, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and further tap on the account option from the top-down menu that appears. In the interface that you will be led to, under the Quick Links tab, tap on the Change Plan option. You will then see the plan that you are currently using along with the other available plans. Tap on the plan that you want to change to and then tap on the Continue button, and with this the plan that you chose will come into action immediately once you complete your payment process. So, this is how you can change plan in Netflix. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.